Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I'm going to be replacing this Mitsubishi's reverse light and the number plate lights also. Right, the first thing to do is remove the cover there, as you just seen me do, and remove the connector. Then twist the bulb holder to the right there and just pull it out. That's a 12 volt 21 watt bulb there that I'm going to change. Just push in and twist and the bulb should come out if it's not all rusty. There's my bulb replacement. That's a 12 volt 21 watt and it's listed down in the description. So look down in the description for the specifications of the bulbs. Okay, I'm just spraying the bulb holder there because sometimes they do get a bit rusty, so I'm just protecting it, future proofing it if you like. Right, once the new bulb is in, just reinsert it, push it in and twist. The same way you got it out. Push it in and twist. That secures it in position there. You might want to spray some WD-40 on the connector there as well. And reattach it, reinsert it into the bulb holder. Just like that. Sorry about the camera angles here, but I'm holding the camera with one hand and replacing the bulbs with the other hand. Right, that's the reverse light done. Next, onto the number plate lights. Whoops, as you can see there, I've broken one of the tabs on the number plate lights, but we're going to fix that later on in the video, so just keep watching. Get that fixed later on in the video. Right, onto the second one. I'm going to be more careful with this one, so take my time and push the tab back, and the number plate light should come free there, like that. And just push in and twist to remove the bulb. Okay, these bulbs are 12 volt 5 watt bulbs. Again, they're listed down in the description. And there's the replacement. Just push the new bulb into the bulb holder there, one-handedly. So I'm holding the camera with the other hand. And push the whole unit into the bulb holder thing, and twist. That secures it in position. Right, that works. Now we've got to deal with the other light unit, the one that broke, the one with the broken tab. Bulbs are listed down in the description. Give it a thumbs up for that one. Right, we're going to fix the other one now. I'm going to use a self-tapping screw and a washer to fix it, which will keep it in place. I'm going to drill a hole there in the underside of the bumper there. And screw in the washer and self-tapping screw. And that's going to be a good enough repair for vehicle inspection. I'm using a 3mm drill bit. And my drill, obviously. Before it stopped working and I had to get another one. Right, I'm going to drill a hole right there. 3mm hole. I'm doing this one-handedly, remember? Right, I've drilled my hole. And now I'm going to screw in my self-tapping screw and washer. I'm going to screw the self-tapping screw in, and that's going to hold it firmly in place. Right, now that job's done, I'm going to check my work, make sure everything's working, because I'm a professional. Make sure the number plate lights are working, make sure the reverse light is working, which they are. And that's a job done, a good job done. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next one.